Okay. Fun fact. If you spray the edge first, you can't lean in. Just a fun fact. But this is the first coat. I believe I only have to do one coat. I hope I do, because this paper blowing everywhere is getting ridiculous. I just took my time and taped all this paper, and as soon as I turn on the daggone blower, it blows it all up. It didn't get on anything. I see right here it got on the edge of my sink. So I'll get that off once everything is settled, because I don't have to spray anything. From there on out, it's the dabbing with the sponge with the holes in it. So I can get that out. That's no biggie. I already scrubbed some paint off of something a little while ago, with just my mixture that I used to clean the counter. So speaking of cleaning the counter, so one of the other pictures that I took earlier had baking soda, Dawn dish soap, and vinegar, because it eats away any grease that is not wipeable, I guess. So where I keep my deep fryer is always like a little rough patch, I want to say. So regular wiping it, yeah, it gets it up. But now that I'm treating this, you want to scrub it. So I did that. So afterwards, you know, I went back. This is the side I did last, so this is why it's still shiny and wet. This is just primer. Afterwards, I went by and I'm trying to, damn it, got the wall anyway. Ain't that about a nothing? Anyway, afterwards I got the tape. We're trying to tape, but I forgot to wipe off the backsplash where I had got baking soda. So I'm wiping and taping. That's why this here is keep coming off, because it's still got a little bit of baking powder on it. Blah, 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 or baking soda. I said I'm not going back. So this I can get off easily, but because it's on the backsplash, the tile. This is one coat of primer with the sprayer. I'm not too worried about these little droplets here, because once I dab on the sponge, you probably won't see them anymore. So this is just one coat. I have to wait for this to dry, and then I can start dabbing on all the other colors. Now, I called myself brand proactive, and I said, self, why don't you try to get that spot off the wall? Yeah, I should have left that spot alone. I made it worse. I should have left it alone. It's not as dark, but now it has a halo. So yeah, I'm going to leave it alone. I'm going to leave all the spots alone. I've painted up there and painted up there. And if you can see above the cabinets right here, there's some spray up. Wait, where's my finger? There it is. And of course, I just sprayed my hand with the primer. So far so good. I'm learning a lot. So if I ever decide to do this again, I know where I went wrong. So this is just one coat of primer. I'm going to let this dry. I'm going to go all the way upstairs to the bathroom and wash my hands. I don't want to chance wetting anything in there. I have a specific bar of soap now that's for this project. It's one little bar of soap that was almost done anyway. Yeah, that's my wash hands bar, and that's going to go in my trash after I'm done with all this painting. So yeah, after this dries, we're going to come back with the dabbing of the, I think it's white. There's some gold in there that I wasn't going to use, because this is I'm using silver as my accent, but it looked nice on the video I watched, and it comes with a DVD. I cannot find my DVD that came with this kit, which means it's in the dining room under something, and that's where it shall stay. But it's online, so I watched it online. So I think I will use the gold just to give it a little bit of color, a little bit of sparkle, I'll say. So yeah, going upstairs, wash my hands, get something to drink, and I'm gonna chill until this dries.